Hello dog lovers who regularly watch our vlogs here at PCCI TV. Today will be our 41st vlog and we will be featuring the 258 FCI All Breed Dog Show. This was held last July 20 to 21, 2024 at the PCCI Activity Center located at the Sumulong Highway in Marikina City. We will be showing you the winners of each group as well as the best in show winners. Our judging was as follows. For day 1 in the morning, we had the following groups, namely Terriers, Retrievers, Splashing Dogs, Water Dogs, Pointing Dogs, Dachshunds, and Scent Hounds and related breeds. In the afternoon, we had the Companion and Toy Dogs. For the second day, we had the Sheepdogs and Cattle Dogs or Group 1, followed by Spitz and Primitive Types or Group 5. In the afternoon, we had Group 2, which is the Pinscher, Schnauzer, and other Molossoid breeds. Our judge for the show is none other than Mr. Duncan McAllister from Australia. He has been judging for 19 years and received his ANKC All-Breed Judging License in 2021. He is an all-breed licensed judge for ANKC, AKC, and FCI, awarding CACIB, CAC, challenges, Best of Breed, Best in Group, Best in Show, and Best in Specialty Show. He has judged in many countries including the USA, Sweden, Taiwan, China, Japan, Finland, Bulgaria, India, New Zealand, and every state of Australia. Over the last 35 years, he has owned, handled, and bred Cairn Terriers, Scottish Terriers, Staffordshire Bull Terriers, and Golden Retrievers under various prefixes with over 70 champions. Currently, he and his partner, Antea, is breeding Golden Retrievers under the WYSIWYG or YCWIG prefix with 5 supreme champions and for many years as Australia's top Golden Retriever breeder with multiple dogs. He is a director of Dogs Queensland, president of Gold Coast Canine Club and the Sporting Terrier Club of Queensland, as well as the show secretary of Waterloo Bay Kennel Club. He has previously been involved with the judges training scheme and continues to help mentor a handful of trainees. Let us now watch the winners in the different groups. For Group 3, Terriers. Best in Group, also the winner of the Best Philippine-born, is the Welsh Terrier. Second Best in Group, also the winner of the Best Junior in Group, is the Scottish Terrier. Third Best in Group, Yorkshire Terrier. Fourth Best in Group, Jack Russell Terrier. And Best Baby Puppy in Group, the Young Norwich Terrier. For Group 8, Retrievers, Flashing Dogs, and Water Dogs. The Best in Group, also the winner of the Best Philippine-born as well as the Best Junior in Group, the Golden Retriever. Second Best in Group, the Labrador Retriever. Third Best in Group, American Cocker Spaniel. Best Puppy in Group, American Cocker Spaniel. And the Best Baby Puppy in Group, the Labrador Retriever. For Group 4, Dachshunds. Best in Group, also the winner of the Best Philippine-born in Group, the Dachshund Miniature Long-Haired. Best Puppy in Group, the Miniature Long-Haired Dachshund. For Group 7, Pointing Dogs. The Best in Group, also the winner of the Best Philippine-born as well as the Best Junior in Group, is the Brittany Spaniel, while the Best Veteran in Group is the Senior Brittany Spaniel. For Group 6, Scent Hounds and related breeds. Best in Group is the Beagle. Best Philippine-born in Group, the Beagle. And the Best Puppy in Group, the Beagle. Best Junior in Group, the Beagle. The Best Baby Puppy in Group, the Young Beagle. For Group 9, Companion and Toy Dogs. The Best in Group, the Bichon Frise. Second Best in Group, the Pug. Third Best in Group, also the winner of the Best Junior in Group, the Poodle. Fourth Best in Group, also the winner of the Best Philippine-born, the Pekingese. The Best Puppy in Group, Bichon Frise. And the Best Baby Puppy in Group, the French Bulldog. For Group 1, Sheepdogs and Cattle Dogs. The Best in Group, the Pembroke Welsh Corgi. Best Philippine-born in Group, Pembroke Welsh Corgi. The Best Puppy in Group, the Pembroke Welsh Corgi. Best Junior in Group, the Pembroke Welsh Corgi. And the Best Baby Puppy in Group is the Young Pembroke Welsh Corgi. For Group 5, Spitz and Primitive Types. The Best in Group is the Siberian Husky. Second Best in Group, also the winner of the Best Philippine-born in Group, the Pomeranian. Third Best in Group, the Chow Chow. Fourth Best in Group, Shiba Inu. Well, the Best Puppy in Group, the Pomeranian. Best Junior in Group is the Pomeranian. For Group 2, Pinschers and Schnauzers and other Molossoid breeds. Best in Group, the Bulldog. Second Best in Group, the Boxer. Third Best in Group, also the winner of the Best Philippine-born, the Doberman. Fourth Best in Group, Rottweiler. Best Puppy in Group, Doberman. Best Junior in Group, the Boxer. Best Baby Puppy in Group, the Miniature Pinscher. And now to the most awaited stage in our competition, the Best in Show. Best Baby Puppy in Show competition. Our winner is the Norwich Terrier. The second Best Baby Puppy in Show, the French Bulldog. And the third Best Baby Puppy in Show winner, the Miniature Pinscher. Best Puppy in Show competition. Our winner is the Pomeranian. Second placer is the Pembroke Welsh Corgi. And the third is the Bichon Frise. Best Junior in Show. The Best Junior in Show goes to the Golden Retriever. The second Best Junior in Show, the Poodle. Third Best Junior in Show, the Scottish Terrier. Best in Show competition. And our ultimate winner is the Bulldog. The second Best in Show, also the winner of Best Philippine Born in Show, the Welsh Terrier. And the third Best in Show, the Bichon Frise. The Best Philippine Born in Show, second place goes to the Pomeranian. And the third Best Philippine Born in Show is the Pembroke Welsh Corgi.
Thank you all for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.